The Around We Grow 4-in-1 Discovery Station has 4 modes of use to support baby's development and spark curiosity from 6 months through the toddler years. We'll show you how to detach the 360-degree walk-around feature for Discovery Station mode to transform the Discovery Station into an art table and how to easily clean any of the washable components. First, remove the center caterpillar toy by flipping the table over and squeezing the tabs with slots on the bottom beneath the caterpillar while lifting. Then, remove the toy sections by pushing the button beneath the quadrant on the outer edge of the table while pulling the toy section outward. Set the toy sections aside and remove the table base by pressing and twisting clockwise. Then, simply lift the seat and store it for later use. To reassemble the table for standing use with the toys, attach the table base back on the center of the stand. Next, add the toy sections by sliding each one into place and squeezing the button on the outer edge until you hear a click, which means it is secured. Lock the toys back in place by adding the caterpillar to the center. If you're ready to transform the Discovery Station into an art table, again remove the caterpillar and the toy sections. With the tray still positioned in the middle of the stand, slide the smooth white quadrants of the art table into place until you hear a click for each piece. Finally, align the slot on the blue center cap with the matching slot at the top central area of the table. Click the center cap into place and commence with creating masterpieces. If you have any further questions about assembly, call us at 1-800-230-8190.